is Nicole Leatherman. I'm 14 years old and I currently dance at Absolute Dance Performing Arts Studio, and I do all different styles of dance, like contemporary and lyrical and ballet and jazz and hip hop and tap, all the normal dance styles. And I also live in Orchard Mesa. I'm an 8th grader currently at Orchard Mesa Middle School, and I'm on the honor roll, and I have to manage my time between dance and school because it's just a crazy mess sometimes. But I would love to have the experience and greatly appreciate the experience at your summer intensive, because I think I would grow as a dancer and a performer. This is the dance I choreographed and I hope you enjoy it.